Question number 3. Question 3 here is, what is meant by the term breed? What do you mean by breed? And what are the objectives of animal breeding? Okay, now what do you mean by breed? So breed means a group of animals of the same species. The word same species over here is important, related by the descendant and are similar in most of their characteristics. Okay, so breed is what, students? Breed is a small group of animals of the same species related by a descendant. That descendants means parent or forefathers, and does have most similar characteristic. Objectives of animal breeding are increase in the quantity of yield, second, improving the quality of the product, and third, resistance to various diseases. So why is breeding important? Remember IIR. Increase in the quantity of yield, second, quality of yield, and to defeat various diseases. So students, this is your answer number 3.